Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to unlock the fiery outfit with the fiery jacket and hat. All you have to do is just if you want to get, and just also a fun fact, if you play Animal Company and if you're broke in adventure mode, join the code mod 2 if you're broke. As you can see, I accidentally pressed it. So if you're broke in adventure mode, go to this code mod 2 as a fun fact. Go to this code mod 2 if you're broke in game. So what you want to do is just go join random code, press join random code. And if you can't seem to find a 5v5, just keep tapping on the join random code. As you can see, I already found a 5v5. As a player left. As another a few players left. So just everyone keeps leaving the same server. Not probably the same server, but different server. If you can't find a 5v5, just keep spamming on the join random code. Let's pretend this is a 5v5 code. And if you get, and the thing you need to do is get 15 kills. As you can see, I already died. I got him down, so you need to get 15 kills. As you can see, I took down this turkey guy and I died again. You can see, I killed another kid. As you can see, I got him down. And I died again and again. So this time, I'm just gonna fight harder. Bruh. Like, if pistols make you hard, just use the shoot gun. As you can see, this gives you more kills. Oh no. As you can see, he killed me in what? I think if it's when you win or lose the game. Play VR. What? She's sleeping. She's sleeping. Just me. Me too. And also after, and once again, sorry for distraction, cause mom talked to me a little bit. And once again, what I said, what you win or lose the game, when in a 5v5, when you jump here, you'll see flying coins flying up from here, which means you have officially have the fire jacket with the fire hat. And once again, if you're and also once again, when you are broke, an animal coming, join the code mod 2. As you can see, I'm arena mode. There's more players in adventure mode. And yeah, if you need more money in from game, join the code mod 2. So yeah, that's how you unlock the fiery jacket. And after you unlock the fiery jacket, if whether you go to adventure or still the arena mode, if you go here, just look for clothing. You'll see Team Blue Fire Jacket unlocked. And next, like if you go to hats, just look for like Team Blue Fire hat. See Team Blue Fire cap right here. So yeah, that's how you rock the fit. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Comment if this helps. And once again, today we are sponsoring modded servers. If you are broke. So once again, if you are broke, join the code MOD2. If you play Animal Company and if you're broke. Have a good time and I love you all. And have a good day and do what I say. Enjoy. Peace out.